Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Qashqai. In this video I'll show you where can you find Toolset. To find Toolset in your car, take a look at the trunk. Lift up the trunk and remove trunk covers. Lift this up and here you can find Toolset. The car does not have spare tire, so right here you can find compressor and sealant. Here is the hook and emergency triangle, and on the right side you can find fire extinguisher. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.